Why everyone is suddenly talking about silver. What if one of the most overlooked investments today could become one of the biggest opportunities tomorrow? For decades, investors have focused on gold, stocks, and real estate. But recently, silver has quietly been gaining attention again. From industrial demand to inflation protection, many analysts are starting to ask the same question: is silver a good investment right now? Unlike many assets, silver sits in a unique position. It's both a precious metal and an industrial metal used in solar panels, electronics, medical technology, and even electric vehicles. This dual role means its value isn't just driven by investor sentiment, it's also tied to real global demand. But here's the catch. Silver has historically been more volatile than gold. Prices can rise dramatically, but they can also fall quickly. So before jumping in, investors need to understand the real story behind silver. In this video, we'll explore the benefits, risks, and long-term potential of silver so you can decide if it deserves a place in your investment portfolio. To understand whether silver is a good investment, we first need to understand what actually drives its price. Unlike gold, which is mostly used as a store of value, silver has strong industrial demand. In fact, more than half of the world's silver supply is used in industries like electronics, solar energy, automotive technology, and medical equipment. As the world moves toward renewable energy, silver demand is increasing. Solar panels, for example, require silver because it's one of the best electrical conductors in the world. This means that global trends like clean energy adoption can directly affect silver prices. Another major driver is inflation. When currencies lose value, investors often turn to precious metals to protect their purchasing power. Silver tends to follow gold during inflationary periods, but sometimes with even larger price swings. Supply also matters. Silver mining is limited, and much of it comes as a byproduct of mining other metals like copper and zinc. When supply tightens while demand rises, prices can move very quickly. So what makes silver attractive to investors? First, silver is significantly more affordable than gold. This lower entry price allows smaller investors to accumulate precious metals without needing large amounts of capital. Second, silver historically performs well during periods of economic uncertainty. When markets become unstable or inflation rises, precious metals often act as a safe haven. Silver tends to follow gold's movement, but sometimes grows faster during bullish cycles. Third, silver has enormous industrial potential. As technologies like solar power, electric vehicles, and advanced electronics continue to expand, the demand for silver could grow significantly in the coming decades. Another advantage is diversification. Financial experts often recommend spreading investments across multiple asset classes to reduce risk. Adding silver to a portfolio can help balance exposure to stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. However, while silver has strong potential, it's not a guaranteed path to wealth. Like any investment, it requires careful strategy and realistic expectations. While silver offers exciting potential, it's important to understand the risks before investing. One of the biggest challenges is volatility. Silver prices tend to move more dramatically than gold. This means investors can see rapid gains, but they can also experience sudden losses. Another factor is market speculation. Because silver is cheaper than gold, it attracts many short-term traders. These speculative movements can create large price swings that are not always based on long-term fundamentals. Storage and security can also be an issue if you invest in physical silver. Bullion and coins need to be stored safely, and large holdings may require secure vault storage. Finally, silver doesn't generate passive income like dividend stocks or rental properties. Its value depends entirely on price appreciation over time. This doesn't mean silver is a bad investment. It simply means investors should approach it strategically, balancing silver with other assets and maintaining a long-term perspective. If you decide that silver fits your investment strategy, the next question is how to invest in it. There are several options, each with different advantages. The most traditional method is buying physical silver in the form of coins or bullion bars. This allows investors to directly own the metal and store it themselves. Another popular method is investing in silver exchange-traded funds, often called ETFs. These funds track the price of silver and allow investors to buy shares without needing to store physical metal. You can also invest in silver mining companies. These stocks often move with silver prices, but they are also influenced by company performance, management decisions, and mining costs. Each approach carries different levels of risk and convenience. Physical silver provides tangible ownership, while ETFs offer liquidity and easy trading. Choosing the right method depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. So is silver a good investment? The answer depends on your investment goals and your understanding of the market. Silver offers unique advantages: strong industrial demand, historical value as a precious metal, and potential protection against inflation. These factors make it an interesting option for long-term investors looking to diversify their portfolios. However, silver also comes with risks. Price volatility, speculative trading, and storage challenges mean it shouldn't be your only investment. Most experienced investors treat silver as one piece of a balanced financial strategy. If global demand for clean energy, electronics, and advanced technology continues to grow, silver could play a very important role in the future economy. But remember, every investment decision should be based on research, patience, and long-term thinking. If you found this video helpful and want more content about investing, finance, and smart money strategies, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you have thoughts about silver investing, share your opinion in the comments below. Your ideas and questions help shape future videos.